Hi, my name is Jasmine. I'm 32 and I work as a sales manager at a beer company. My husband and I moved in together to our new home, and he was unable to have a good quality sleep due to my snoring at night. I also felt like I wasn't getting good enough sleep quality. I was recommended to Premium Care by a friend who went for a sleep test and found out he had obstructive sleep apnea. My friend highly recommended Premium Care after going for treatments to fix his sleep apnea. Without Premium Care, I might not seek treatment at all for my medical condition. Premium Care opened my world to how healthcare could be. I had a few major or minor medical concerns that bothered me, which I never did anything with because I didn't know where to start until Premium Care showed me the way. My consultant was extremely attentive and patient throughout the entire time I went through my obstructive sleep apnea treatment and constantly checked in on me. Also, the personalized touch and having Premium Care team with you on every single appointment and helping to complete all the administrative work meant fast free visits to doctors. Dr. Leong, who is the ENT doctor treating me, was fantastic. He went the extra mile to understand my sleep problem and was very assuring as I went through the treatment. He also took me through all my questions with a lot of patience, and anytime I had any concerns during the treatment, Premium Care and Dr. Leong would not hesitate to slot a follow-up session very quickly to address them. I would absolutely recommend Premium Care to my friends and family so that they also have access to such caring and personalized medical services. If you also dislike going through administrative paperwork for your medical treatment, then Premium Care will most definitely save you from all of that.